Hi, welcome to 134 Short Street in Boronia Heights. This is a great family home offering solar power, electric gate to the rear yard, and has a shed as well. But come through, it's recently been repainted and looking fabulous, ready to move in. So front lounge dining area, downlights throughout, reverse cycle air conditioning unit, and as you can see, detailed panelling. This front window does have a remote security screen as well. So modern kitchen, Caesar stone worktop, space for fridge freezer, electric oven, ceramic hot plate range hood, and a recently installed dishwasher. Great pantry space. And then the sink overlooking the rear yard through the sunroom. I'll take you through to the sunroom. Double doors here. Plenty of power points in this room, so if someone wanted to make it office space, you could. Through to laundry, linen cupboard, and door to the covered patio. Come down the hallway, we have 3 good-sized bedrooms. So master here on the right. Great space, triple robe, and reverse cycle air conditioning. Good space there. Bedroom 2, cool air conditioning, double built-in. And bedroom 3, cool air conditioning, overlooking the rear yard. Separate toilet and family bathroom, so shower, as you can see, vanity bath and heat lamps. Back down through the hallway. This space would take the biggest of lounge suites. And then come through. So side access, I'll just demonstrate. Electric gate. Which has the added benefit of a new power point here, so you can vacuum your car out on the side. So walk through to the sliding door on the shed, which has got power, plenty of sockets here. Great man cave for someone. And then through this door to the yard. And you have a garden shed. Water tank with a pump. Great space for everyone to relax and unwind. If we come back through this way. So we've got side gate access here into the rear yard, but I'll take you back through the sunroom. Here we go. So covered patio area with a little seating area, drop down blinds. Nice shady spot for these hot summer days. And there's the pump for the water tank. And come round here. And you could make that side access if you wanted to for a trailer. So whether you're a homeowner or an investor, I think this home will be sure to please. Freshly painted throughout, ready to move in. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you too soon. Take care.